I like to grab my hair with it and, you know, just pull it out. Hey YouTube! Hey! Hold on, let me close my door. Hold on. Hey YouTube! Hold on, what's up y'all? Hey, listen, I decided to record a video while I was like already doing my hair, as you can see. But today's video is going to be very quick, very snappy, because I have work in a few. But let me tell you guys, alright? So I took down my mini twist. This is my twist out, right? Okay. That's the twist out, right? And this is how I keep my twist out fresh. This is called the banding method, right? All of these that you see right here. This is the banding method, right? I find that the banding method works very, very efficiently for my hair. You heard the voice crack? It's always a voice crack. I banded my hair overnight, and when I take it out of the bands, it gets at its straightest length, and it keeps it from like any breakage or anything going on, and it's very easy to take down, y'all. I really encourage this. So that's why I'm just going to show you real quick, just like a little time lapse of how I do this, okay? Because this method is very effective. If you have natural hair like mine, listen, you should try this out. You can use thread to wrap it up, but I just use rubber bands because it's easiest. I put a little oil, of course, always start with a little oil. You take that oil and you start, you guys see? You start unraveling the rubber bands, right? So the night before, I'm not sure how many rubber bands are on each, y'all. I don't know. I just keep going until it gets to the end, and I leave the ends out. Okay, we leave the ends out because you don't want the ends to get crushed, of course. Like, and it's gonna be okay if you just leave them like this. Just put a scarf on, and you should be good for the night, or however you decide to do it. I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you, because I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like when I take it down, so you guys could know how effective this method is. Like, bro, girl. Alright y'all, so that was it, right? So fast, so quick and easy. This is the back of my hair. I love it. Honestly, this is day 2 of twist out, and it still looks good. This is the twist out, right? Twist out still looks good. It's day 2, and I hope that I could last like at least a few more days, but my curls are doing good. And as y'all seen, like, it's really easy. You want to band your hair up, and then you want to just take it down. How you guys seen me doing it like this, right? I think that this part is very important. Make sure you do that part. That's like you separating the curls type thing. Your twist out is going to have more volume to it when you do that separating. But as you guys can see, this is really it. I could leave it like this if I want. I love it. I love it. And y'all see, it was just as easy as 1, 2, 3. I just recently bought a pick. I'm gonna show you how I pick my hair out, right? So I like to go like this, and you know, gently just pull it from the root, and it'll give you that little extra volume that you want. Yeah, as you can see, this side is bigger than this side. after you puff it up a little bit. That's it for this video. That's how you do a nice little takedown. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I really do suggest doing the banding method. If you guys haven't heard of it or anything, look it up, get familiar with it, because it's really good for your hair, especially your natural hair. Us natural girlies, we go through a lot of shrinkage and breakage. So I feel like this little banding method, it prevents both of them. For me, at least, it's been working. Y'all see the hair? I'll see the hair. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Drop your suggestions. Drop everything. Drop what you thought. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All of them. I don't know why I have to keep telling you. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share, and tune in. And it still looks like day one. Yeah, give this method a try, y'all. It's definitely worth it. All you gotta do is buy a couple rubber bands. That's it. You just need a couple rubber bands and some hair. That's it, y'all. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. All right, y'all, we're out.